doing good job at home. Friendship is all about trusting each other, helping each other, loving each other, and being crazy together. Am I right? Let's start with a story. True friends. Vijay and Raju were friends. On a holiday, they went into forest. They were enjoying the beauty of forest. Suddenly, they saw a bear coming with them. They were frightened. Raju, who knew climbing trees, ran up to a tree and climbed it quickly. He did not think of Vijay. Vijay did not know tree climbing. Vijay thought for a second. He had heard animals did not prefer dead bodies. He fell to the ground. The bear left him and thought he was dead. He went away. Raju asked Vijay, "What did the bear whispering to your ears?" Vijay replied, "The bear asked me to keep away from friends like you," and went on his way. Do you like this story? Our next lesson is addition up to 20. We have already learned addition up to 10. Clear? Then first one, add by making tens. Add by making tens. Add by making tens. First question, 6 plus 8. Read this question, 6 plus 8. So, we have to draw lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here, 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we have to make 110. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. 110, 1, 2, 3, 4. 110 4 ones. 110 4 ones. 14. 110 4 ones. 14. Clear? Second question. 6 plus 9. 6 plus 9. So what we do? We have to draw 6 lines first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we have to draw 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, we have to make 110 first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. 110, how many ones are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 110 5 ones, 15. 110 5 ones, 15. Clear? Then one more question. 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5. So how many lines we have to draw first? 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then yes, 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to make 110 first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 110. How many ones? 1, 2. 1 10, 2 ones, 12. 1 10, 2 ones, 12. Listen. No need to note down these things in your notebook. You just understand it. Clear? Take your notebook and note down the date. Then our second lesson, addition up to 20. Just note down addition up to 20. Then side heading, add, A-D-D, add, A-D-D, add, by, counting forward, C-O-U-N-T-I-N-G, counting, add by counting forward, F-O-R-W-A-R-D, add by counting forward. Note down. Have you noted? Yes. While add by counting forward, what we do? We keep the biggest number in our mind and count forward. Follow me. Keep biggest number in our mind and count forward. Once more. Keep the biggest number in our mind and count forward. Clear? Example. First question. 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3. Listen. Tell me which is the biggest number. 8 or 3. Tell me which is the biggest number. Yes, 8. So we have to count forward from 8. How many times we have to count forward? 3 times. Are you ready? After 8, 9, 10, 11. So 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. Clear? Yes. Second question. 4 plus 7. 4 plus 7. What we do? Keep the biggest number in our mind. Which is the biggest number? Tell me, 4 or 7, which is the biggest number? Yes, 7. We have to count forward. How many steps we have to count forward? 4 times. Clear? So, after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. Next question. 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5. Which is the biggest number? Yes, 8. Which is the biggest number? 8. We have to count forward. How many times? Yes, 5 times. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So, 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. Please spell 13. Yes. T H I R T E E N. 13. Clear? Fourth one. 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4. What we do? Keep the biggest number in our mind. Which is the biggest number? Yes, 9. Which is the biggest number? 9. How many times we have to count forward? Yes, 4 times. Are you ready to count? Yes. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Clear? So 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. Fifth question. 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8. Which is the biggest number? Yes, 8. How many times we have to count forward? Yes, 6 times. Are you ready to count forward? Yes. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 6 plus 8 is equal to 40. 6 plus 8 is equal to 40. Plus 3. 7 plus 3. Just found out. You just find the answer. Just find the answer and tell me. 7 plus 3. Yes. 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 10. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 7. 8 plus 7. Find out the answer and tell me. 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7. Did you get the answer? And tell me. Yes. 8 plus 7 is equal to? Yes. 15. Very good. 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. Very good. 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. Got it? Next topic, adding tens and ones. Yes, students, it's new for you. Clear? Adding tens and ones. First question. Fourteen plus 3. How many tens are there? 1 10. How many ones? 4 ones. Here how many ones? 3 ones. Is there any 10? No. So, we have to add 14 and 3. We have to add 14 and 3. So, what we do? We have to add the digits in the ones place. The digits in the ones place. O for ones, T for tens. O for ones, T for tens. Follow me. O for ones, T for tens. Then the digits in the ones place. Which are the digits in the ones place? 4 and 3. Which are the digits in the ones place? 4 and 3. So, we have to add 4 and 3 first. We have to add 4 and 3 first. So, 4 plus 3. Tell me 4 plus 3. We have to. Yes. Tell me. We have to keep the biggest number in our mind and count forward in 3 times. So, which is the biggest number? 4. How many times we have to count forward? 3 times. After 4, 5, 6, 3 is equal to 7. Listen, where do we write 7? 7 നമ്മൾ എവിടെയാണ് എഴുതേണ്ടത്? The ones place നമ്മൾ 3 എന്ന് എഴുതിയിട്ട് അണ്ടർലൈൻ ചെയ്തില്ലായിരുന്നോ? അതിന്റെ തൊട്ട് താഴെ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് എഴുതാൻ പാടുള്ളൂ? 7. Then how many tens are here? 1 10. Here 0 10. So what we do? Bring down 1. ഇവിടെ വേറെ ഒരു നമ്പറും ആഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ ഇല്ലാത്തത് കൊണ്ട് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? ഈ 1 എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? ബ്രിങ് ഡൗൺ ചെയ്യണം. എന്താ പറയാ? ഈ 1നെ ഇവിടെ താഴെ എഴുതുന്നതിനാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് പറയുന്നത്? ബ്രിങ് ഡൗൺ പറയാ ട്ടോ. അപ്പൊ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? ഈ 1നെ താഴോട്ട് കൊണ്ടുവരണം. So 14 plus 3 is equal to 70. 14 plus 3 is equal to 70. Then question number 2. T for tens, O for ones. T for tens, it's not for writing, you just listen me, okay? T for tens, O for ones. 15 plus 4. 15 plus 4. Which place we have to add first? Which place? Ones place. Which place we have to add first? Ones place. Which are the digits in the ones place? Tell me, which are the digits in the ones place? 5 and 4. Which are the digits in the ones place? 5 and 4. So we have to add 5 and 4. So 5 plus 4 is equal to, count after 5 in 4 times. Count after 5 in 4 times. 6, 7, 8, 9. Where do we write 9? Here? No. Here? No. Where do we write 9? Here. So 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Listen, is there any number to add? No. So what we do? Tell me. Yes, bring down 1. ഈ 1 നമ്മൾ എവിടെ എഴുതണം? ഇവിടെ 10ന്റെ പ്ലേസിൽ എഴുതണം കേട്ടോ. So 15 plus 4 is equal to 19. 15 plus 4 is equal to 90. Got it? Then take your notebook. We have to note down the heading. Adding tens and ones. Adding tens and ones. Write down adding A, D, D, I, N, G. Adding tens and ones. T, E, N, S. Tens. Adding tens and ones. A, N, D. And ones. O, N, E, S. Adding tens and ones. Underline. Are you ready to write? Yes. First question. Here T-O. T-O. T for tens. O for ones. T for tens and O for ones. 15 plus 3. Underline. Listen. Tens, ones. How many tens? 1 10. How many ones? 5 ones. Here how many tens? 0 tens. How many ones? 3 ones. So which place we have to add first? Tens place or ones place? Tell me, which place we have to add first? Yes, ones place. The digits in the ones place. We have to add the digits in the ones place first. Okay. Which are the digits in the ones place? ഇവിടെ തൊട്ട് താഴെ numbers ഏതൊക്കെയാ പറയൂ? Tell me. 5 and 3. So we have to add 5 and 3. So what we do? We have to count after 5 in 3 times. Count after 5 in 3 times. Yes. Are you ready to count? Yes. After 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So where do we write 8? നമ്മൾ 8 എവിടെയാണ് എഴുതേണ്ടത്? Ones place ന്റെ 3 എഴുതി നമ്മൾ കണ്ടില്ലേ? അവിടെ അണ്ടർലൈൻ ചെയ്തു അല്ലേ? ഇവിടെയാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് എഴുതേണ്ടത്? 8. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So then what we do? We have to add digits in the tens place. How many tens? Only one ten. Is there any 10? No, 0. So what we do? പാവല്ലേ 1. 1ന് അവിടെ നിന്ന് പേടിയാവില്ലേ? നമുക്ക് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാം? 1നെ നമുക്ക് ഈ ടെൻസ് പ്ലേസിന്റെ 8ന്റെ ലെഫ്റ്റ് സൈഡിൽ എഴുതാം. Yes. So 15 plus 3 is equal to 18. 15 plus 3 is equal to 18. Got it? Then you are not supposed to write anything here. Question number 2. T for tens, O for ones. Follow me. T for tens, O for ones. 17 plus 2. Read the question first. 17 plus 2. 17 plus 2. So, which place we have to add first? Yes, ones place. The digits in the ones place. Which are the digits in the ones place? Tell me. Yes, 7 and 2. We have to add 7 and 2. Yes, 7 plus 2. Yes, count after 7 in 2 times. 8, 9. Where do we write 9? In the ones place. So, how many tens are here? 1 10. Is there any 10? No. So, what we do? Bring down 1. Bring down 1. So, 17 plus 2 is equal to 19. Please tell me what comes after 19? After 19? Yes, 20. Before 19? Yes, 18. Got it? Then question number 3. Fourteen plus 3. 14 plus 3. Yes. Which place we have to add first? Yes, ones place. Yes, 4 and 3 we have to add first. So 4 and 3 make count after 4 in 3 times. 5, 6, 7. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. What we do? Is there any number to add with 1? No. So, bring down 1. 14 plus 3 is equal to 17. Clear? Then question number 4. 13 plus 2. 13 plus 2. You just find out the answer. 13 plus 2. Yes. We have to add the digits in the ones place. So we have to add 3 and 2. 3 and 2 make. 3 and 2 make. Count after 3 in 2 times. 4, 5. Yes, 5. Then what we do? Bring down 1. So 13 plus 2 is equal to 15. Clear? Then fifth question. Sixteen plus 3. Then sixth question. Find out the answer. 16 plus 3 and 12 plus 4. Find out. Did you get the answer? Yes. First one. 16 plus 3. 6 and 3 make 9. Bring down 1. Next one. 12 plus 4. 12 plus 4. 6, 1. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6 and bring down 1. Understood? Understood? Dear students, you are supposed to note down the notes and send to me personally either today or tomorrow. There will be a Google test paper tomorrow. You should attend the exam and submit. Stay home, stay safe, study well. Bye. Thank you.